Welcome to my channel, Kenneth Digital. Today I'll be showing you something very amazing, something that you can use, something you should know. Let's say your phone was got stolen or you misplaced your phone. Happy are you? You can easily track your phone. You can equally erase your data, and you can equally, you know, send a message to the person that stole your phone, convincing him why he or she should return your phone to you. Okay, so just stay glued to the video. I will walk you through the process. Now, first of all, what you need to do is first of all you need to download Google Find My Device for Android users. You have to go to Play Store, install this application, Google Find My Device. When you install the application, open the application. When you do so, then the next thing you have to do is you have to sign in with your email address, your Gmail address. Is very important. That is the next step. So you have to sign in with your Gmail address. Okay, right now I have to pause this video so that I enter my password. I've entered my password, then I have to sign in. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do with your smartphone right now if you want this feature to be available for you. So you have to sign up. Okay, currently this is my location. I'm in Nigeria. Currently I'm at Nsukka, precisely University of Nigeria Nsukka. That is my location. Okay, so okay, that is it. Now the next step, you have done this. Your phone is stolen or you misplaced your phone. Then the way to go about it, you could get a friend's phone. When you get a friend's phone, open any browser. You could open any browser you have, then type in Find My Device. Okay, when you enter that keyword Find My Device, now before you enter, it is important that you enter your own Gmail address. Okay, sign in with your own email address to your friend's phone. You have to do so by clicking OK, so you can easily change the account from here. Okay, so that is this very place here. Okay, so you can actually track your, as you can see. So you can ensure that you enter your Gmail address on your friend's phone before doing this. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to click on recover. Okay, because of the view, let me change the view so you could see exactly what I'm doing. Please still pay attention so you get what I'm doing. Now click on recover. When you click on recover, you'll be redirected to another tab. Ensure you click just open. So when you open up the tab, then the next thing you are going to see is you have three options. You can play a sound, you can also secure the device. Let's say your phone is locked or the phone is switched off or whatever, you can send a message to the person. But let me play a sound first. When you click on play sound, let's say the phone is in your house and you can't locate it. As you can see, it's ringing. Okay, so I don't want it to ring. I'll stop it. So the next thing I can do here is to the next thing I would love to do is to remember this thing is actually for free, and you need to know how to do it in case you can never tell. So this secure device, when you click on secure device, you can send a message to the person. Hello, please, I love you to return my phone, blah 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 blah. You send it to the person. Hopefully the person will return your phone. Now the third thing you can do, very important, but before you do this you have to be very careful. You want to erase the data. When you click on erase device, all the data will be erased. Everything in your phone will be erased. So be careful before you click. Once you click it, that is the end. You can't recover your phone. The whole data in your phone will be lost. So a quick review: just ensure you sign in with Google Find My Device. When you do that, with your Gmail address, sign in with your Gmail address, and then start exploring the option. Remember, your location will be displayed to you. You can make the phone ring out wherever it is. You can equally send a message to the person that's with your phone, and of course you can erase the data if you wish to erase your data. So please, thank you very much. I hope this video has been very helpful to you, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and I also encourage you to please comment and like the video. Thank you very much. This is Kennedy Digital, improving your digital literacy. 5 minutes video.